at Dani's brand new salon. As you can see, things look a little bit different around town. Yes. My hair is a mess right now. It's 3 weeks old.
Okay, girl.
It's so old. We were literally just talking about people with like very, very hard to detangle hair, and I came in with a mess to just make Dani's day even harder. But anyways, my hair is a mess. We're about to do a beautiful holiday silk press, and I'm about to get the full treatment from the new House of Beauty.
Yes.
Dani, congrats.
Thank you.
All right, let's get into it. Let's get my hair together and slayed the way that Dani knows how. And I'm gonna take you through the entire journey. am so sleepy. I didn't even mention at the beginning of the video that Shay woke me up this morning, or he woke up in general at 4:30 this morning, his usual early morning rise. So I have just been running on E all day, but it is the end of the day. it is time for me to wind down and finally take my butt to bed. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put my hair up. The silk press is silking. It looks amazing. Dani's salon is so beautiful. I'm like obsessed with all the details, the finishes, just the vibe, the lighting in there. I feel like it's really reflective of Dani herself and just how beautiful she is inside and out. So it's really nice to see that she has a salon that is just up to par with her as a whole. So I'm really, really proud of Dani, and I hope you are too, because you know we've been rocking with Dani for years. She's the only person I have ever allowed to straighten my natural hair, and she's kept it intact ever since. So now it's time for me to put my hair up for the night because I preserve my silk presses for a minimum of 2 weeks. So this is exactly how I do it so that it looks good for days and it still maintains that body, that shine, all of the above. So I'm gonna show you how I put it up at night, and then tomorrow I will quickly show you how I take it down as well so that you can see how it looks and how it was preserved overnight. So yes, Dani gave me a nice, good trim today too. I really, really needed it because the last time she just gave me like a little bit of a dusting. So this time she really was able to like get rid of some dead ends. So I came across these silk rods. They're like flexi rods, but they're silk and then they're like cushiony, so it reminds me of a pillow. Really soft, which is nice, and obviously very flexible. And they have these buttons on the end, so they snap really nicely, which makes it so much easier to put your hair up, unlike a regular flexi rod that you just gotta like try to maneuver so that it stays up. So what I do is I'll twist sections of my hair in this, and then this is the exciting part. Then I put these little baby bonnets over each of them so it keeps them intact. And I love this. I feel like it's worked really, really well for me because it just helps to make sure that my hair still has a lot of movement and bounce. And I don't know, I just feel like it preserves it longer because it's like, I don't want to say defined because that's more so like a natural word, but when I'm wearing my hair curly. But I think doing it in smaller sections is really helpful in just making the press last a lot longer, and also it doesn't get as oily as quickly. So what I just did was I'm just like rolling it under. Oops, got this little piece right here. But yeah, so I'm just rolling it under. And it doesn't matter if it's perfect, like it doesn't have to be like picture perfect. Get it there. I think the biggest part is just getting like some of it rolled. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm then gonna go and I'm gonna snap the little snaps to get the little buttons together. All right, you heard that snap. And then I'm gonna take the little baby bonnet. I'm looking because I want to make sure to get all of it. And then we push the hair into the baby bonnet. Whew. Okay, that one. All right, there we go. That wasn't my best one, but you get the gist. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna do like 3 sections on each side. I don't need to do too crazy. I think as it gets older, then I'll do even more sections just to add, you know, continue to add that curl back. But right now it still has a nice curl at the end. Also, I'm not gonna comb it out just yet. When it gets older, I will comb it out, and that's gonna help to really like invigorate the curl when I do this. But for now, I don't need to because it already has a nice curl to it. So I'm just gonna take where the curl naturally falls, and I'm gonna just roll it around on here, and I make sure to roll it on top of itself. That way it can keep the hair in place and you don't have like the end out, and then it'll run the risk of unraveling. So there we go. And then I'm just gonna press that button so it's all together. I have to like lay my head on the side so it doesn't slide down. And then now I take the little baby bonnet
And then I just push that hair in there, make sure that it's all in there. And then we good, voila. I get that last section. And I'm not even like using a comb or anything to section it off. I'm just doing it with my hands. Like this, again, like I said, it doesn't have to be super picture perfect. So you don't have to be highly skilled at doing your hair to do this, which makes it even better. All right, and then I'm gonna go and I'm gonna wrap it around again. It's so funny because I actually saw, I was like scrolling on, I think it was TikTok, and I saw a white creator actually with these in her head. I saw her with the little baby bonnets and the silk scrunchie, and I was like, what is that? And when she took her hair down, it looked amazing. So I was like, I wonder if that would work for me. So I bought one pack and I used it, and my silk press looked bomb for days. I was like, oh, this is my jam. And so now I have like 2 packs of them, so I have a bunch. So if I do extensions or anything, I have enough for all the hair and for, you know, as the style gets older. So I know that for a lot of you who subscribe to my channel, this is probably gonna be the first video of mine that you've seen in a really long time, because it's a hair video, and for some reason YouTube only pushes my hair videos. So I just want to make a PSA that I have so many other amazing videos on my channel, and I know that you may love my hair content, but I promise you I have so many other things to offer outside of just hair content, and I would love for you to just check out some of my other vlogs and my other videos where I'm sitting down and talking, because I promise you, you're going to enjoy the content and the messages that I'm sharing as well. I've been having a really hard time getting my YouTube community to watch my non-hair videos. So that's just been a little bit frustrating, because although I still have very beautiful, amazing hair, and I still do my hair on a regular basis, I want to, you know, I'm branching out and I'm showcasing more of my life, my personality, everything in other ways, in other videos, and I would just love for you to check those out. Hopefully you have plenty of time to binge so you can watch multiple videos, especially the ones where my mom is in it, because she is so funny. Can you tell I'm super tired? I didn't even have like the energy or enthusiasm to be like, please watch my other videos. I'm like, please just watch them. I promise you're gonna like them. I swear I have a lot of personality. I feel like I sound like Eeyore right now, but your girl needs to go to bed. I just pray that that boy doesn't wake up until like at least 5:30 tomorrow. Sheesh. So I have all of my little bonnets on. Boom, boom, boom. And so now, these ones are a little bit tighter than these ones over here, but it's fine. It is what it is at this point. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this bonnet over them, because I wanna make sure that everything is covered and intact and nothing slides off in the middle of the night. And if anything does slide off, it's still inside of some silk. Although I do also sleep on a silk pillowcase, so it's just like triple silk protection. You know, you can never be too safe. So I will be back to show you how my hair comes out when I take it down in the morning, and that'll be the entire journey. Good morning. It is a new day. I look refreshed, right? Because your girl was exhausted last night. I was like on the verge. So here's my hair. I took a shower and everything, washed my face. And so here are the little baby bonnets. As you can see, obviously from sleeping on them, tossing and turning, they've like, you know, started to droop a little bit, but it's fine because the hair is still wrapped around the rod. So we're in good shape. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take it out. So I'm gonna pull the bonnet like that. And already, look, the thing just fell off on its own. And look at that. Day 2, no heat. I mean, and that's actually, it looks even more curly than last night when I put it together. Amazing. All right, and then we'll take out the next one. Just flip it around. And then usually this is what I do. The other one just fell out on its own, but want to make sure I keep it intact. So then I go and open the little button. There we go. Boom. 2 perfect curls. And boom. Look at that. Like, this is why my curls last for so long. Also, I feel like the fact that I got a fresh trim is gonna help my hair to stay longer too. Because when you trim your hair, it just makes the longevity of your styles so much more. And then honestly, like however you wanna have it afterwards, it's up to you. For me, obviously, I'm not gonna be curly Sue, so we'll just run my fingers through it lightly. Boom, perfect. Just run my fingers through it so I can open up the curls, super light. There's nothing on my fingers. I'm not putting oil on my hands because we don't want to add more oil. I feel like I'm a little flat up top, so what I'm gonna do is just like this, put my fingers here. Whew. Yeah, and just give it a little bit of motion, you know, a little bit of movement. There we go. Boom. Yep. And that is how my hair looks. Perfect. Day 2. I hope you enjoyed this video. I wanted to show the styling process and like how I maintain my hair at night, because I feel like that part is the most helpful, because you can show people how to get their hair done, but the really important part is, okay, now how do we preserve that hair? So that is how your girl does it. I literally do this every single night throughout the duration of my silk press. If I don't have anywhere to go or anything to do, I'll just keep my hair in the little silk rods and the baby bonnets all day until it's time for me to take them out if I need to go out. But if I'm staying home all day, we're gonna have them in them little bonnets all day just to preserve the hair. Right now it is pouring rain outside, so I will not be setting foot outside of my house today. I'm not even gonna go near an open window, nothing. Because I'm not playing any games, all right? So now I have lots of work to do. I'm gonna edit this video so that I can put it up. So thank you so much again for watching, as always. And again, if you are here for the first time in a very long time, because this is a hair video, please, 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 I am asking you to check out my other content on my channel. Binge my videos this holiday season, leave some comments, give me suggestions on what other types of videos you'd like to see from me, because any words of encouragement from you help me to keep going on YouTube. So thank you so much. As always, I love you, and I'll see you next time.